Hey y'all, welcome back to part 2. We haven't gotten going yet, but we're going to. You ready? Let's go see if we can find more stuff. Minnie, you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? You ready to go home? You gotta go to TT's? Minnie gotta go to TT's. That means we gotta find a place for her to go. All right, let's get on the road again. Come along with me. Week when we got that coat rack, I think we got the rest of it now. Remember there was only part of it? Yeah, I think the people found the rest of it and put it out. And we're gonna snag it up. Ooh, that's the whole thing in the box. We'll snag that up for sure. Let's put it this way. Get that down in there. There we go. All right. Good stuff. Just a little trash can. See if it's any good. That's what it is. Does it work? It works. Well, I'll be darned. I'll take these beads too. Trash can, you can sit there as long as you don't fall out on me. I don't think there's anything else there, so. All right, y'all. Let's keep going. Oh, we're at the dumpster. Our favorite dumpsters. There are a ton of cigarette butts in here. There's a pair of shoes over there. I'm gonna set these down here. I'll crush them anyway, heck with it. Why wait? Alright, let's see if there's any more. Yeah, there's another one. I'm not digging too much more than that. Pretty gross down in there. Here's one. Oh, it feels slimy. Ew. I don't know. Let's see about these shoes. I don't know, are there two of them? Oh, there's the other one. Okay. Anything else? I don't see anything else. All right. Alrighty, get these in the truck. Get these in the truck. Toss them down there. Check this dumpster. Check this dumpster out. There's metal there, but we ain't getting that. I don't think. I don't know, will it come out? It's so close. But nope. I'm guessing somebody put that up against the dumpster so that somebody else could grab it. And the trash truck came and it fell. That's how it got underneath. A trash can. That'll work for scrap. Trouble is keeping it in the truck. Alright. Let's go on the other side, see if there's anything. I see a pole. I see a planter. If I can get it. Come here. Come here. There we go. I don't know. I think it's pretty dirty. I guess. It's going to be in the back of the truck anyway. Pull these off. Come on. Get off there. Thank you. We'll throw it back together if we can. Maybe can't. Yep, there we go. Alright. Let's grab this stuff. I hear a crow. Caw, 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 caw. Alright. Get in the truck. Alright. Just toss that there for now. Alright. Get these gloves cleaned up. There we go. All right. We can see again. Woohoo! All right, let's keep going. We got more dumpsters. Well, actually, we got one right up here. Let's just drive up here quick. No sense shutting it off. Yeah, no sense shutting it off just for that. All right. What do you think we're gonna find in here? Anything good? Oh man, somebody threw books. Another trash can. May as well grab that, eh? That's a bummer about those books, though. Is there anything in here? There is. There's something in there. Awesome. Awesome, awesome. Mini blinds. I might be able to sell those. I don't know, should I take those? They're vinyl. I'll leave it right here. Maybe somebody else will take them. All right. red one gonna fit inside? Oh yeah, easy peasy. Easy peasy. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy, Minnie. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Hip 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 hooray. Alright, the rain's picking up again. It's a typhoon! Oh no! Alright, let's go. Let's do this. There's 4 dumpsters on this street. Ugh, that doesn't want to open. Woo, look at all that water. This thing is full. Yes, you can. Let's get it. There we go. That's that bang. Granddaughter Jaden drinks Monster. I can't believe her parents let her do that, but oh well. I don't know if it's good for kids or not. That's why I can't believe it. So far she's not crazier than she was. Hey, look at that part of the dumpster. Hey, I'm gonna guess that's not up for grabs. I'm not touching it. Those 2x4s would be nice. Yeah, see anything? I don't think so. Y'all probably can't see very good in here, huh? Yeah, I don't see anything. Alright. Let's move it on up to the next 2. Move on to the next 2. I'm gonna have to wait, whatever you were. Alright, let's go check. We'll check this one over here first. It's further away. Boy, somebody could get jabbed on that thing. Ew. That's total nastiness. I don't know what it is and I don't want to know. I don't think there's anything over here, but we'll peek. Evidently these dumpsters do not have holes in them to drain the water out. That's a big flaw, don't you think? Yeah, I'm gonna put my hood up. Protect my head a little bit. About time I do it. Let's see. This one's looking pretty full. What do we got here? Some kind of a rack. I'll take the rack. Hunk of wood. What else we got? A little toolbox thing. Oops, what was that? Careful when you're dumping stuff out, Nana. Might be stuff you want to keep in there. Alright. What else we got? A backpack. What we got in it? Looks like a hat, some shoes, some gloves. We'll leave it all in there. It's not a bad backpack. Anything else? Ooh, this one's nice. Nah, Nah, that got wet. Too wet, I should say. What we got here? Wood stain. That one, I don't know, not making much noise, but has that been used? Yeah. Quick seal. Aveeno. And scratch and swirl remover. Okay. Oops. I banged your head all. I banged y'all's head. Let's get this stuff in the truck. Let's see here. Yeah, I'll put it back here. There we go. Backpack. For sure will go in the truck. Maybe all this stuff, I don't know. We'll see. Yeah, we'll just put it all in here. Let's see, another thing of wood here that I'll grab. Get this stuff in here. Let's see. Oops, be a better place for this. Yeah. I'll leave it right there. There we go. That'll work. Alright, anything else? We'll throw that in here. Nope. We've got a broom sweeping mop, a broom, another broom, and a Swiffer. What is that I hear? I don't know. I should take these brooms off here, because I don't need those. Oh, too hard. I'll just throw them in. Alright, anything else? This has been a good dumpster. Let's see here. Do I want this little piece of wood? No, it's, well, maybe? Try it. We'll take it. I guess. Good thing I looked. Ceramic, now be careful. Don't break it. Oh, bonked your head again. Look at there. Looky there. We got Santa Claus mini, and we got snowmans. We got ceramic and tins and a piece of wood. Oh, my glove ripped. Of course it did. I'm almost done with this one. I'll leave the gloves here. Just want to check. Okay. See, here's a dilemma. This has a lot of cans in it, but it also has a lot of other garbage in it. I want to take it, but I don't want all that extra garbage. So what do I do? You know how long I'd be here picking them out? That'd be the only thing. That'd be the only thing I could do is pick them out, and I don't, well, I suppose I can get some of them. Y'all talk me into it. Y'all talk me into it. I don't think I'm gonna be able to get that one. My finger keeps catching. All right, that's the last one. I'm gonna crush these. Stick these in the truck. Put the box back because I don't need that. There we go. Alrighty. I gotta close that one door anyway. I should probably be closing them all. That. I didn't even see that. Alrighty. I am stuck. I don't know what I was stuck on, but I was stuck. Oh. See my pen? Ah, thank you for watching the truck mini. Yes, I really appreciate it. Alright, y'all. Let's go find some more. After here, I'm getting new gloves on. Fingers are sticky, so it's not going so smooth. Minnie, help! I can't get my pinky in there. Why won't my pinky go? Don't rip it. Don't rip it. Don't rip it, Nana. Oh my goodness. Y'all don't do this with wet fingers. There, that helped. Get some air in there. Got some air in there, and that helped. All right, I think that's good enough. Now, here we go. Blow it up a little bit. Don't let your rings tear it. Don't tear it. Rings behave. Alright, I think I about got it on good enough. It really does help getting air in there, you know that? Alright, good enough. Let's go check the dumpster. Hope these gloves last, because I don't want to go through that again. Got a bed frame back there. Oh, I just stepped in some stuff. That was not good. Yeah, I don't think there's anything in here. Can, of course, way over here. I'm getting the cans today, y'all. Ooh. What'd somebody throw out there? Are those just like, oh, those are the empty bottles. It looked like lids. Somebody threw out a couch. Trash on top. No, thank you. Alright, smashed can. That one is White Claw hard seltzer. Alright. Next dumpster, please. Next dumpster. This one. I'm glad they got brand new boxes or bins, dumpsters. These are much easier to get into and look around. No, I'm not taking these onions. Not because they're in the dumpster, not because they might be a little bit off, or, you know, over, but because I can't eat them. They agitate my headaches, so I can't take them. I'll take this. Sure, why not? I'm being a scavenger now. All right. Next dumpster. Take a little peek. And I can tell you right now, there's nothing. I don't even have to dig. So we're gonna put that in there because some little kid comes along. Yeah, wouldn't be good. Did you watch Truck? You did? Good girl. Good girl. Oh, I got a tussie, y'all. Yeah, Minnie gave me a tussie. All right, let's keep going. We got a little more to do.
More carrots. Don't tear it. More carrots. Where's Garrett?
Vegetables. Vegetables.
Alright, y'all, let's go check these dumpsters. I thought I was closer to done than this, but there's some kid stuff over here. They haven't changed these dumpsters out yet. That thing got really wet. These things usually sell. I'll take that. I'm not seeing a whole lot else. Are you? There's a bottle down there, but I don't think I can reach it without climbing up there. And I don't feel like doing that. My back is starting to get twitchy on me. It's better not to push it. suppose I could. Oh, my grabbers are buried. I was gonna say, I suppose I could get my grabber, but that won't work. Let's see. Can I get it in there? That should work. All right. Let's check this dumpster. Wet shoes. Wet clothes feel good. It smells weird. It smells like a wet dog in here. Oh. We got us what looks to be a fan, y'all. Oh, it really does smell like wet dog in here. Another fan down there. Wonder if I can get it. Oh, this book's got all wet. That one's not too bad, but I don't know who'd be interested in it. Alright, we're gonna see if we can get that fan. Get this one in the truck first. We'll cut the cord at home. New wetness on my shoes just happened. Yep, I just got more wet on my shoes. Oh boy. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Alright. How hard is it going to be to get this fan? Oh, easy. Should be easy. Easy peasy. Easy peasy. Come here, fan. There we go. Let's see. I want it to not blow out. No. Underneath this chair, maybe. Ketchup on it. How about we get that off as much as we can? Not roll it through the dog poop there. That wouldn't be good. Alright. Lift this up. See if we can get it under there. Oh yeah. There we go. Now we're cooking with gas. Yeah, now we're cooking with gas, Minnie. All right. Oh. Onward. I think there's 2 more.
More carrots. Don't tear it. More carrots. Where's Garrett?
Vegetables. Vegetables.
Here I come from the west side. The left side. The right brain drives me insane. Don't lie, don't lie, don't lie. Where's Garrett?
Basement.